Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to change the private account on X. Okay, so first of all open X on your device and then you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu you have to scroll down until you reach settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You want to go to section that's called privacy and safety. Now from here go to section audience and tagging, and finally at the very top of your screen the first option is protect your posts. So this is the feature that is responsible for making your account private, and let's turn this on, and from this moment my account is private. So basically how it works, only your current followers on X are able to see your posts on your page, and any new people who want to follow you on X, they must send you follower request, and you can manage your followers. You can either accept them or decline them. So there is specific dedicated page on X from where you can do that. Let's tap profile picture in the top left, and in this menu you want to find section follower requests, and from here you can accept or decline your new followers on X. Again, as I said earlier, your posts will not appear in public search results on X if you make your account private. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.